Hey YouTube, SJ here, and today we're looking at the on-feet review for the Sneakersnstuff Converse Camo Lavender. Let's get to it. YouTube, hope you enjoyed that. That was a little on feet of the Sneakersnstuff Converse One Star Lavender Camo pack. There is an unboxing of these as well. These came in the canteen camo, which is a traditional camo, and the lavender, which I picked up here. Now I absolutely love these. They are so nice. I was worried in my unboxing video that they would be a little bit too big. These are a US 7, which is what I'd normally pick up in men's shoes. They are probably about a half size too big, but they fit me absolutely fine. If you're sort of in between sizes, you're probably okay. If you're sort of a smaller foot, you probably want to go down half a size, to be honest, if you're gonna pick these up, because these are still available in some stores. And Sneakersnstuff do still have the canteen camo in quite a few colours. But anyway, super nice. One of the things I didn't pick up in the original unboxing video is that the tongue is a stitched piece of leather and suede as well, if you can see that sneaker cam. It's just been done really nicely. And another thing that I mentioned in the unboxing video is how soft and smooth this white leather is. And I've only worn these to do the on-feet review. I haven't actually worn them out yet because I haven't sprayed them. But the toe cap here, because it is such soft leather, it has already started to crease, and you're probably not picking that up on camera. It did warn me. There's a little tab that said that the colour may bleed, particularly from the black suede. And the colour is already coming off on the laces, so there's black here, and some of the black has already started to bleed onto other patches of colour. You know, it's just one of those things. As I said, these are a shoe I'm going to wear. I'm going to wear a lot this summer, so I'm not that fussed if the colour bleeds. I am going to correct protect these though, to try and stop the bleeding as much as I can, and I don't want denim to go on this lovely bright white leather. But anyway, what do you think, guys? Worth the cop? Like the on-feet review? Let us know in the comments below. Give us the old thumbs up. And if you're thinking, why am I not being notified when SJ and Mr. B put a video out, or when we do a stream on a Sunday, don't forget to hit that old notification button, which is about here somewhere. Boom, 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 boom. Because if you don't hit that, YouTube won't tell you when we're putting a new video out. Check us out on Sundays for streaming Sundays, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays for our video uploads. As I said, let us know what you think of these in the comments. See you soon, Pint of Stuff fans. Bye.